Hello lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Guys, I'm going to show you how to make strawberry banana smoothie. Now, to make this strawberry banana smoothie, you will need some frozen strawberries. So I'm going in with my frozen strawberries. I'm using just 1 cup. I'm going in with a 1/3 cup of crushed ice. I'm using a very large banana here. 1 will just be enough, so I'm breaking it into the blender. And I'm using 1/2 cup of skimmed yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt. I'm also adding in a 1/4 cup of milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, or any other milk of your choice. And for my sweetener, I'm using sugar. You can use honey, maple syrup, or just plain syrup. And now we are just going to blend this until we have a very thick and creamy banana strawberry smoothie. And we are done blending our strawberry banana smoothie. This strawberry banana smoothie is quite easy to make. You can even go creative with your smoothie by adding chia seed, hemp seed, or any other of your favorite spices. So this was how to make strawberry banana smoothie at home. I'm just going to top off my smoothie with some slices of strawberries. So guys, I hope you love this healthy strawberry banana smoothie. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my interesting videos. Until next time, bye.